Hello everyone, I am v13 from Caret Solutions Private Limited. Today we will discuss about the topic three-way matching purchases, reception and bills in Odoo version 13. Three-way matching help in comparing the data that appears on the PO, receipts and vendor bill, and it is used to categorize whether the vendor bill ought to be paid or not. Let's start. Click on the purchase. First we need to activate the option. So purchase, configuration and setting. Make sure the option three-way matching is enabled. Then after, click on the purchase order. Let's select the vendor and the product. Make sure in product, in purchase tab, there is a vendor bill policy is on received quantity. Let's say 10 quantity. Save. Let's confirm the order. Before receiving the product, let's create the bill. And in other info tab, you can see that the quantity is 0, and in other info tab, it should be paid is yes. But why should be paid before receiving the product? So click on the order, save this vendor bill, click on the purchase order, and let's receive the products. And validate it. After this, we can see in vendor bill and click on add it in quantity 10, and this is now it should be paid yes, that's okay, and we can pay this bill. Let's duplicate this purchase order and change the quantity by 15. Save this order, confirm it, receive the products, but not received all the products. We just received the 10 units. Confirm and save and validate and create the back order. You can see that 2 receipts over here. One is for back order, so one is for done and second is for ready. Let's create a bill. You can see that the quantity is 10 because we received the 10 quantity. And other info tab, it will be displayed should be paid yes for this 10 quantity. If we change the quantity by 15 and save it, it will be displayed should be paid exception because other 5 quantity still not received, so it will display as an exception. Let's go to in receipt and receive remaining quantity. After that, click on the vendor bill. In other info tab, you can see that the should be paid is yes. That means all the quantity will receive and we can pay for this. Let's again duplicate this order. Let's change the quantity by 5. Confirm the order. Before receiving the product, create the bill. So the receiving quantity is 0. Save it. Recently, the should be paid display yes. Let's change the quantity in invoice. It's 5 and save. In other info, it will be displayed should be paid no because we did not receive these products and creating the bill before receiving the product. So that's why its display should be paid no. So this is how we can use the three-way matching in purchase in Odoo ERP. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.